Welcome to Satara Ka Safar, where we unravel the mysteries of the stars and planets. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Taurus, also known as Vrishab Rashi, known for their strength, patience, and practical approach. Taurians are one of the most grounded zodiac signs. Let's explore their traits, strengths, weaknesses, and much more in detail. Fixed, negative, and earthy means to resist and protect. These qualities describe individuals who are optimistic, content, and not fond of too much movement, yet firm, steady, and practical in their approach. The bull plows the field and produces crops, the same way Taurus individuals cherish growth and progress. Alongside this, they display endurance and patience. They are also inclined towards physical security, protection, and the desire to nurture material resources. Resembling the full face and horns of a bull, the symbol of this sign reflects strength and resilience. When provoked, this strong and determined animal attacks without hesitation. Those associated with Taurus or Vrishabh Rashi have similar traits. These individuals are practical, dependable, and steadfast. They possess admirable qualities like patience, endurance, and tolerance. Taurus natives are natural protectors who prefer to secure things in their possession and often feel a strong need for something tangible to hold on to. They have a fine taste for material benefits, art, beauty, harmony, and aesthetics. They value good food, luxury, comfort, and the finer things in life. Industrious, skilled, and creative, they follow a unique and consistent mindset. Their emotions run deep, making them highly empathetic yet stable individuals. Taurians are stable, methodical, and constructive thinkers. They make decisions carefully, assessing trust and reliability in every situation. While they are often tolerant, they can become intolerant or stubborn in situations that challenge their boundaries. In love, Taurus individuals are deeply affectionate and possessive. They are sensually inclined and fully aware of the strengths of their body, preferring stable and secure bonds in their relationships. Taurians can become overly possessive, indulgent, and self absorbed. At times, they may lose interest, stick rigidly to their routines, or become irritable when contradicted. Their adherence to daily habits can make them seem unadventurous and resistant to change. Taurus individuals excel in jobs that require trustworthiness, responsibility, and stability. They perform well in careers that involve material values, artistic endeavors, and productive efforts without sudden changes or uncertainties. Ideal professions for Taurus include builder, farmer, banker, government employee, industrialist, jeweler, singer, sculptor, and architect. These roles utilize their persistence, patience, and practical approach while often offering financial stability or retirement benefits. Their primary psychological desire is for security and sustenance, which drives their actions and decisions in life. The throat and neck are the vital physical areas associated with Taurus, symbolizing sustenance and support in life. Additionally, the ears and thyroid gland play important roles. Subconsciously, Taurus is linked to the sexual glands through the Scorpio axis. Common health issues include throat infections, heaviness in the neck area, weight gain, ear pain, and reproductive or uterine ailments. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the Taurus zodiac sign. If you resonate with these traits or know someone who fits this description, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sitara Ko Safar for more insightful content on astrology and zodiac signs. Until next time, take care and stay curious about the stars.